the first cluster of skills that I think that every employer will look for, that is super important no matter where you work, in which industry you work, in whatever country you work in, are problem solving skills. So this sounds like a huge thing, but it's actually very simple and very common sense. What are problem solving skills? Problem solving skills are skills, all the skills that you need in order to solve a problem. Whose problems? The company's problems, the employer's problems. So the reason that they are hiring you in the first place is because they have this problem, this task. Problem here doesn't mean that something is problematic or that something is necessarily stressful, right? Or interrupting anything. Problem here just means that there is this thing that needs to be done, that needs to be carried out, that needs to be brought to completion, and someone needs to solve it, right? And there are a variety of skills that fall under this category of problem solving, which includes, for example, analytical skills. What are analytical skills? Analytical skills are basically the capability, the skill to analyze a situation. Before you can even start and solve a problem, you need to first of all analyze the situation, right? So let's just say that you are a social media manager, and the problem that you want to solve for the company is you want to make their product known to the public. Let's just say, for example, they sell soap, like some kind of I don't know, some kind of organic soap, let's say, right? So this is a new product and they want to bring it to the public. So you as a social media manager, your job is to solve their problem of how can this product get known to the public? How can the public become aware of the brand and existence of the soap? So first of all, to solve this problem, you need to be able to think analytically, right? So for example, you need to think about, okay, what does this product consist of? What are the benefits? What are the features of this product versus what is already available in the market? What do people like? What is lacking? What is in demand, and so on. So you need to kind of analyze, have the capability to analyze the situation and also analyze the data that is connected to it. And then what's also attached to problem solving skill is critical thinking. You need to not just accept everything as at face value, but you need to have the skill of critically asking important questions that are relevant to solving that question, solving that problem. For example, if one strategy hasn't been working for a while, you need to be able to think critically and find reasons why this hasn't worked and try to find the solution to that. And another thing also connected to problem solving is decision-making skills. This is something that is also often mentioned as a skill that is sought after, but I think that decision-making actually falls under problem solving, because a company will not hire you simply because you have the skill of making decisions, right? That is just one function. What they're actually after is that they want you to solve their problem. They are hiring you to solve a specific problem. If you're an accountant, they want you to solve their problem of inputting the transactions or coming up with a financial statement and so on. And in order to solve the problem, you need to be able to make decisions, because it's actually common sense, but it's not as straightforward, and not everyone can do it well. Making decisions is not that easy. So you might have the experience before of maybe facing a difficult situation and you're stuck between two options and you just can't make a decision. You just don't know what to decide, and then you're kind of stuck and you're not making progress and you waste a lot of time, and that impedes your ability to solve a problem efficiently. And that is the reason why when you're in a job interview, this is one of the popular questions that HR people or hiring managers ask. They often ask you the question of whether you have faced a difficult situation before and how you managed to make a good decision, because they want to know if you're capable of that or not. So that's problem solving, and I think that's a skill that's not only required to get a job or to work well in a job, but it's also a very important life skill, problem solving.